Here's the pan I did the review on, about a year or two ago. I wanted to show this and show everybody what it looks like still. Check that out. It's got a little bit surface scratches. Not too many, really. Not too many at all. Somebody used a fork in it. Told her not to. But nothing scratched all the way through. It's still tough. It's still working. I had to cut the handle off because I live in an RV now and the handle is too long because it hit against the wall. I'm over here on these burners, so I cut it off and made a shorty handle. Round. See, it's still a round handle and stuff. Use some Gorilla Glue and glue that sucker on there. It's fine. It stays right there. Filed the edges so you wouldn't get cut. Anyhow, customized my pan. I see that they went back to the flat style handle, but I don't know why. The round handle is so much better. Fits your hand. Flat one wants to turn and stuff. Flat handle doesn't make sense. Round makes sense. That's the only complaint I really have about this. Some of the stuff's wore off on the bottom. That's okay. But other than that, this pan is holding up really well. Nothing still sticks. And it still serves me good. Yeah. One more video on the granite pan. I still think it's one of the better pans out there. And it's holding up fairly well. A lot better than those copper ones. Anyhow, this is Cobbs. I hope you like the review again, and I hope you like the pan. And if you haven't subscribed to my station, go ahead, hit the like and subscribe so you can get more when I do more reviews. And I don't know, that's about it for today. And God bless. Till next time, this is Cobby out. Catch you guys all later. Mm-hmm.